Invideo AI create viral videos in minutes. Imagine creating high-quality, engaging videos in minutes, without spending hours editing or needing advanced skills. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. We all know how much time and effort goes into video editing. It's like trying to build a house with just a hammer and nails sometimes. But what if I told you there's a tool that can build that house for you, brick by brick, with just a few clicks? That's what Invideo AI feels like. Meet Invideo AI, the game-changing tool that's transforming video creation for YouTubers, marketers, and content creators worldwide. In this video, I'll show you how Invideo AI works, how to create viral videos in minutes using its powerful AI, and some pro tips to maximize your results. And make sure you stick around till the end because I'll reveal a secret hack to make your AI-generated videos truly stand out. Let's dive in. Alright, so before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's answer the big question. What exactly is Invideo AI? Invideo AI is a cutting-edge AI-powered video creation platform that allows you to create professional-looking videos just by entering text prompts. It's like having a professional video editor at your beck and call, ready to bring your ideas to life. Think about it. Whether you're making YouTube videos like this one, social media ads, business promos, or even educational content, Invideo AI makes the entire process insanely easy. No need for complex software that takes months to learn. No need to spend hundreds, even thousands on expensive editing software subscriptions. And the best part? You don't need any prior video editing experience to get started. That's right, zero experience needed. Just type in your idea, hit enter, and Invideo AI does the rest. It's really that simple. We're talking about a paradigm shift in how videos are made. It's like the difference between using a rotary phone and a smartphone. The barrier to entry for high-quality video creation has never been lower. And that's super exciting, especially if you've ever felt intimidated by traditional video editing. But how does it actually work? Well, Invideo AI uses the power of artificial intelligence to understand your text prompts and translate them into stunning visuals. It's like having a conversation with your computer, but instead of just getting text back, you're getting a fully fledged video. And it's not just about slapping together random clips. Invideo AI is smart. It understands the context of your prompts, the emotions you're trying to evoke, and even the overall tone you're going for. It's like having an AI director that can visualize your ideas and bring them to life in the most compelling way possible. Now let's get to the fun part, creating a high-quality video in just a few minutes. And trust me, when I say minutes, I mean it. We're not talking about hours of painstaking edits here. With Invideo AI, you can go from idea to finished product faster than you can say video editing. So how do you do it? It's incredibly straightforward. Step 1, enter your video topic. Just like you would type a message to a friend, simply type a topic or a brief description of what you want your video to be about into Invideo AI. Let's say you want to make a video about 5 tips for growing on YouTube fast. Type that in. Step 2, let AI generate the script. Once you've entered your topic, Invideo AI gets to work. It analyzes your input and instantly generates a well-structured script for you. This script will serve as the backbone of your video, ensuring a logical flow and engaging narrative. Step 3, AI creates the video automatically. This is where the magic truly happens. Based on the script, Invideo AI's powerful algorithms go into overdrive. It scours its vast library of high-quality stock footage and selects the best visuals that align with your script. It adds smooth transitions and animations to keep viewers engaged. And get this, it even syncs captions automatically, making your video accessible to a wider audience. Step 4, customize your video. Now, while Invideo AI does an incredible job of creating a polished video for you, you still have complete control over the final product. Want to swap out a particular clip for something else? Go for it. Want to change the background music to match your brand's vibe? Easy peasy. You can even add your own branding elements like your logo and brand colors with just a few clicks. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've gone from a simple idea to a ready-to-publish video, all thanks to the power of Invideo AI. It's like having a team of professional editors working tirelessly behind the scenes, but without the hefty price tag or the endless email chains. Chapter 3. Okay, so we've seen how easy Invideo AI is to use, but you might be wondering, why is this a big deal? Why is Invideo AI a must-have tool for content creators, marketers, businesses, and really anyone who wants to leverage the power of video? Well, let's break it down. First and foremost, Invideo AI saves you an insane amount of time. We're talking about hours upon hours of manual editing that you no longer have to worry about. Imagine what you could do with all that extra time. You could focus on brainstorming new video ideas, engaging with your audience, or even just taking a well-deserved break. And it's not just about saving time. Invideo AI also takes the guesswork out of finding the perfect visuals. Its AI engine is designed to choose the most compelling and relevant footage from its vast library, saving you the hassle of endless scrolling and searching. But it gets even better. Invideo AI comes with a whole suite of built-in features that streamline the video creation process. We're talking about high-quality voiceovers that you can add with just a few clicks, eye-catching animations that would normally take hours to create manually, and seamless transitions that make your videos look incredibly professional. And the best part? Invideo AI is perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros. If you're just starting out, it's an incredibly intuitive and user-friendly platform that will make you feel like a video editing wizard in no time. And if you're a seasoned pro, Invideo AI can help you streamline your workflow, automate tedious tasks, and free up your time so you can focus on the bigger picture. With Invideo AI, you can create content at lightning speed, experiment with new ideas without spending hours on each one, and ultimately, focus on what really matters, growing your audience and your business. It's not just a tool, it's a creative partner that empowers you to bring your vision to life. Chapter 4. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Invideo AI sounds amazing, but I want my videos to stand out. I want them to go viral, and you absolutely should aim for that. So let's talk about how to take your AI-generated videos to the next level with a few pro tips. Tip number 1, use attention-grabbing hooks. In the world of online video, you have mere seconds to capture someone's attention. That's why the first 5 seconds of your video are absolutely crucial. You need a hook that grabs viewers by the eyeballs and makes them want to keep watching. Think about starting with a thought-provoking question related to your video's topic, or making a bold statement that piques their curiosity. You could even start with a visually stunning clip that instantly draws them in. The key is to create an immediate sense of intrigue that prevents them from scrolling past your video. Tip number 2, add your personal touch. While Invideo AI does a fantastic job of creating a polished video, it's essential to inject your own personality and style into it. Remember, AI is a tool, but you are the creator. Don't be afraid to experiment with different voiceover styles, add your own unique commentary and insights, and let your personality shine through. People connect with authenticity. They want to hear your unique perspective and connect with you on a personal level. And finally, tip number 3, optimize for SEO and engagement. Creating a great video is just the first step. You also need to make sure people can actually find it. That's where search engine optimization or SEO comes in. When you're crafting your video's title and description, think about what keywords people might be searching for on YouTube or other platforms. Use relevant keywords that accurately describe your video's content. And don't forget to encourage engagement. Ask viewers to like, comment, and share your video if they enjoyed it. This not only helps your video get seen by a wider audience, but it also tells the algorithm that your content is engaging and worth promoting. Chapter 5. As we've seen, AI is rapidly changing the landscape of video creation. And honestly, it's a really exciting time to be a creator. Invideo AI is at the forefront of this revolution, empowering anyone with an internet connection to create professional, quality videos effortlessly. Now you might be wondering, is AI going to replace video editors altogether? That's a question a lot of people are asking. And honestly, it's understandable. AI is becoming incredibly powerful. But here's the thing, AI is a tool. Just like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. It all depends on the person wielding it. In the right hands, AI has the potential to democratize video creation, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills or budget. It can help businesses create compelling marketing materials, educators develop engaging learning resources, and individuals share their stories with the world. The possibilities are truly endless. Will AI replace video editors entirely? Probably not, but it will undoubtedly change the way videos are made. It will empower creators to work smarter, not harder. It will free up time and mental bandwidth, so creators can focus on what they do best, telling stories, sharing their passions, and connecting with audiences on a deeper level. The future of video creation is here, and it's powered by AI. The question is, are you ready to embrace it? So, what do you think? Are you as excited about the future of video creation as I am? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing content just like this. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Would you try AI-powered video editing? What are your thoughts on the rise of AI in creative fields? I'm genuinely curious to hear your perspectives. And don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss an update on the latest AI tools and trends that are shaping the world around us. Ready to experience the power of Invideo AI for yourself? Click the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.